Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how do we make egg wrap. This is a very healthy breakfast in the morning. So this looks very yummy. You can see the stuffed egg inside of the wrap, right? And also cheese, vegetables, greens. Very healthy recipe. Kids also love this. See, you can see the eggs inside. So you can take this as a morning breakfast or brunch or evening snack. Kids love this. Let's see how do we make it. So for this I am taking 3 eggs and spinach finely chopped and tomatoes. I took the juice away from the tomatoes. I just cut that into pieces, cubes, and also chopped bell pepper, chopped onions, and I'll add little spices. You can use red and yellow bell peppers also. Like, take a bowl and let's take the spices into this. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, little bit of turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste, ginger garlic paste little bit, a pinch. It will give nice flavor. Now add eggs to this. Just to mix it well. So omelette is all about mixing egg, you know, how smooth you will mix it, the fluffy omelette you will get it, you know, very fluffy and soft omelette. So eggs are beaten very well now. So now we will add all the veggies to this. Chopped onions, and green pepper finely chopped, spinach, and tomato. Mix them once easy. Yeah, see, it looks like this. Now we can add this mixture to the pan. Heat. Take a pan, preferably the non-stick one. Spoon of oil to this. 1 to 2 tablespoons. And spread the oil. So we need to put the omelette always when the pan is hot. I'm just putting this liquid into this. Close the lid so that the vegetables will be cooked from the top also. So the omelette is cooked in the bottom, so it's time to turn this one. So flip it and let it cook in the medium flame. So now vegetables are half cooked, ready to turn off. We can turn off the flame now. If you are a cheese lover, you can add cheese to it. So I am adding little bit cheese. I am taking Parmigiano cheese. So I just add little bit on top of it. You can eat like this as is, as a morning breakfast. And if you want it in a wrap, you can also add it to the wrap. So let me add it to the wrap and show how we eat. To make a wrap, take another pan, and I am taking the spinach wrap. So I just fry a little bit, turn on the heat and fry 2 sides. put the omelette on top of the wrap, and again I am adding cheese on top of it. It's optional. If you are not a cheese lover, just don't skip this step, but my kids love cheese, so that's why I'm adding this. And turn this one. Yeah, like this. Let it cook for 2 to 1 minute. After cutting into the pieces and taking to the serving bowl, the wrap looks like this. Very vegetables are inside the wrap, and very fluffy, and we have also added cheese to it, so kids will love this. Let's taste it and see how it feels. Oh my god, so good. I like this one. So please try this and add your comments how it came. Thank you all for watching this. If you like this, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.